I'm sitting in my dinghy right now and I am about to get a haircut. Now Sandy, I have electric shears that I like to cut my hair with, but Sandy today wants to cut it with scissors. Now I'm not sure if I'm going to get stabbed right now, if this is the plan, or she's going to cut my hair, but we have video evidence of what may happen here. Guys, this is pretty cool, right? I mean, like, I'm getting a haircut on this beautiful beach, and the haircut's free. Yeah. A lot of things are free. The sun is free. This beach is free. We do a lot of anchoring's free. You know what? I mean, but let me tell you something about boating. Traveling in a boat is the most expensive way to travel for free. If you have a boat, you'll understand that. If you do what we do, you'll understand. How are you making out, hon?
Well, you're going to have to stop moving your head around.
Well, there's only like 1 or 2 hairs to cut, for God's sakes.
Stop moving your head. Oh, God. Stop moving your head around, please.
Oh, my God. What are you, I'm trying to show people that what you're doing, and if you stab me right down my neck with those scissors, you'd like to do that, wouldn't you?
Sometimes.
She hates my guts. How long have we been married? Besides too long, how long have we been married?
This year is going to be 39 years.
39. Shit. It's getting harder, isn't it?
Yep.
Once you turn 50, you changed. And you became so aggressive and
combative.
Mean. I used to get my own way. When are we going to trim this beard?
Oh, I would just like to get rid of the whole thing.
Oh, you'd like to get rid of the whole thing, would you?
I don't like beards. You know that.
But beards are in now. That's what everybody wants, is a beard, a bearded man, they say, right?
I don't know who wants that, but whatever. Guys, look at the view here. We are sailing, no engine, full sails out. We're doing 7.5 knots. This drives Sandy crazy. She does not want to be here. Right now, with the boat heeling this way and us traveling at 7.6 knots, she wants to go home. That's the way it really is. Not all rainbows and coconuts. We are in 10 feet of water under our keel, so we're in 15 feet of water. And this is a beautiful day. Look at the colors. It's lovely. We are smoking. What a comfortable ride. Like the ocean, like the waves here are hardly anything. I mean, like, you know, we are just cutting through the water. Actually, if we had a little bit of chop, I'd probably be going faster. 12, 13 knots of wind. We have had a couple of gusts up to 17, 20, but they're just gusts. You know what, at that point you gotta prepare and steer off the wind. You got to steer off the wind. I don't care which way you go, but you know, you got to be prepared for that. So, but we, like, you know, right now the winds have slowed down, and we're doing 7.1, 7 knots. This is just I wish we could do that. I wish I could do this all the time. And just to let you know, when it gusts up to 20 knots, and yes, from 0 knots to 20 knots, yes, it's very unsettling. Right now, the 12 knots or whatever, it is lovely. Not denying it. But when you get those gusts and you're heeled over and you have full sails out and they're not in the right position, it's very unsettling.
trying to film this in 4K now, and I have upgraded the resolution on the drone too. So I'm not sure if that's going to make a difference for you guys. I hope so, but just trying to learn. Nobody taught us this, just effort. That was all that was ever. Some of the quality of the videos, something's happened to my equipment or my processing method. Something's happened to my equipment or my processing method, and it's turned out some shitty quality videos, which is a shame, because even though I'm not promising any quality videos, I do like to show you what I'm seeing. So yeah, it's incredible. This is a beautiful spot here. I could spend a month here naked though. I could spend a month here naked. Just get a visual on that. In 4K, naked in 4K, that would be cool. YouTube would probably ban me. Nobody's cleaning these beaches, right? Okay, there's no servants here cleaning. This is it. This is what it's like every day. Just natural. Some garbage, of course, gets blown in on a storm. Fishing nets. Look at that. And there's tons of turtles here, guys. Lots of turtles. It happens so regularly that I don't even video it anymore. Just there's a turtle. There's a turtle. Turtles eat lobsters. Yeah. Yeah, they crunch on them with their big jaws.